A lot of shellfish, all kinds of fried things. You have to be really careful here in China. There's literally something for everyone. Yes, good morning guys from Shanghai. I have just arrived at the Qipu market, which is known for all kinds of knockoff products, from clothes to perfumes and all kinds of other stuff. Let's check out what this market has to offer. I haven't had a Red Bull in a while, but I'm sure I haven't seen this one before. As soon as you arrive, you will be approached by these kinds of touts, who will offer you to bring you to the place where they sell all kinds of designer stuff. I'm not gonna buy anything, but I'm just interested in how the place looks like. Maybe I will buy some sunglasses or whatever. Sunglasses.
Sunglasses. Ray-Ban. Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Ray-Ban, yeah.
你不是对中国人对小老百姓出来了，像这些娃子吗？
那个老客，
不是你一出
We
门
have
就
a
我老外呀，
pilot model with
我没带，我给别人带的，我老外带。
thick like this.
那没病得看，
No?
这only one。
我老外是昨天老外，是昨天的，没又来的。
来，不是我过一下，不然我接你吗？我也不放你假。
他衣服、包、手表都没买，今天来又跑了，又跑到。
Okay guys, I suddenly got myself another tout who's apparently specialized in sunglasses.
Ray-Ban?
Yeah. Thick side, pilot model. You have something? Or Hugo Boss, also okay. No?
You like
Alright guys, I am very disappointed in the Qipu area. Every tout or hustler or whatever you want to call it has brought me to the same shops over and over again. And the assortment is not that big, so you don't have a lot of choice. I'm gonna head towards the old town and maybe we're gonna find something interesting after all. We're gonna try to unlock it with Alipay. The cool thing is that Alipay translates everything for you. Immediate departure. Confirm unlocking.
Hello, 单车。
That's the way we do it. Looks like a cool place, guys. I think I'm gonna drop the bike somewhere here. Okay, so you have to scan the barcode again and then press I want to return the car, even though it's a bike. Okay, it should be locked right now. The trip has cost me 1.5 yuan, which is about just a few cents actually. You can also buy some kind of subscription. 7 days for 4 yuan, which seems like a good price, about 50 cents. So I'm just gonna do it. I just found out that this isn't actually the old town. This is the Nanjing Road. I think this place is very focused on tourists, especially Chinese tourists. Let's see what we got here. I like these kind of stalls. Got the sugar-coated fruit again. Some more ice cream. Very creative and very inviting. But I want to check out a few food courts I've seen further ahead. Got the jar tea over here. Some souvenir stalls over there, which I'm not really interested in. Don't ask me what this is. Very cool looking restaurant. Got another beautiful shop. And they sell birthday flowers. I've seen this in Hangzhou in many shops. In case you wonder how safe Shanghai really is, we've got a policeman over there and another one over here. You will see cameras basically everywhere. Just look at these poles in the middle. They all have at least 4 cameras. Yes, we've got a beautiful view up there in the distance, guys. The famous tower in the middle. Some other cool buildings. But I'm gonna do the river walk later tonight because I believe cities are more beautiful at night. Let's check out a few of these food courts. Got some juice over here. The stinky tofu again, which I've tried in Hangzhou. Very delicious. And this is one of my favorite desserts ever. Coconut ice cream, filled with all kinds of fruit. Some squid over here. Some more river food. A lot of shellfish. Very nice. Got some steamed desserts. Looks very fruity. Okay guys, let's check out another one. Sushi. All kinds of fried things. Got some jellies, all kinds of colors, some nuts, seeds, chestnut, all kinds of drinks. Don't ask me what these are. Some tofu with spices up here. But guys, if you're on a special diet, you have to be really careful here in China. Even if you order something vegetarian, there might be pieces of pork or chicken or beef. For example, yesterday I ordered a salad and I specifically asked for a vegetarian salad, but in the end it turned out there were pieces of pork inside it. I think in the end you will find something. There's literally something for everyone. Let's see what this shop has to offer. Got some candy over here, some more herbs, very beautiful to see. And chocolate is actually very expensive here in China. I've seen prices from 50 euros a kilo up to 150 or even 200 euros a kilo. Insane. And these are Chinese dates. Very delicious actually. I've tried them out too. Alright guys, that's it for the Nanjing Road. I've seen some interesting street food, but I think this is more like a touristic street for Chinese locals. So see you at the next one.